Welcome to CDT, day 46. Woohoo, baby! Hey folks, Two Slice and I decided to switch packs in town, so she is sporting my bad boy, and we're sporting each other's packs, so I think I got the better end of the deal. I could do this.
I couldn't do this. It's like you know.
Who's up for second breakfast? Shaping up to be a beautiful day heading out of Platoro, Colorado. There's some clouds, a lot of blue, and some sun, but mostly wispy white clouds. None of them look very menacing. This was a great place to stay, and we were really glad we stayed here. Had a really relaxing night watching movies and eating food and just hanging out, having fun. So now it's time to make our way to Pegasus Springs, which should be in about 35 miles. So I'm hoping that we get about 20 today. Jacob and Two Slice are hoping to get like 25. We'll see what happens. We are starting to climb. That is Platoro down there. And this is the beauty I'm looking at right now. And that's where I'm headed. Getting some more elevation up to Stunner Pass. And now we're back into the winter wonderland. So that means the snowshoes are on. And I gotta catch up. Look at the absolutely stunning colors on these mountains. Right there. Bam. Alright, we are looking at some, the usual, like the tans and the grays and the browns. But now we've got like rusty orange, and we've got some deep reds as well. Some very deep reds. Like, wow. Right there. Holy crap, that's incredible. Yeah, this is all apparently a mining area. So we're carrying water for about 20 miles because almost all the water that comes through here is not considered safe to drink because there is likely arsenic in the water from mining operations. So that is why I'm carrying 3 liters of water on me despite walking by flowing water at all times. But this is just fantastic, and it looks like, you can see the road, looks like I'm headed that way. And somewhere up there is going to be the high point of the day, I think. 11,600 feet, something like that. So that will be the new highest elevation that I've ever been. Let's go catch it. Starting to get snowy up here on these alpine lakes. But somehow the road is clear, which is really annoying when I have snowshoes on. Oh, so storm's coming in, but we found a cabin to hang out in for the night. It is all about casual Colorado around here. And this weather is anything but casual, but it is beautiful, and we're going to enjoy it from this cabin. It appears to be a National Forest Service cabin, and it seems to be public. I don't know if you have need reservations or not, but we're just going to, treat it with respect and do whatever we need to do before we leave tomorrow morning. So woodshed over there, cabin here with a bunch of stuff, and this is the outhouse. And this thing I actually have to show you because it's pretty intensely cool. Maybe I exaggerate a bit, but for as far as outhouses go in the middle of the woods, like shower walls, a little stool with soaps and wipes and shampoo and what is it? Those candles and cleaners and stuff like that. It's really nice. So Yeah, it's a beautiful place. Very nice. And how about we take a tour on the inside? After all, this is MTV Cribs. Hiker style. Hey guys.
Hey, Jandals.
Don't worry about me. I'm just filming for YouTube. You guys ever hear that? All right. We got 4 bunks. We got some tables, some chairs. And then this place is stocked with some cans of food and some other goods and stuff like that. And we even got a pantry. We got propane to cook on. And we're making a fire to warm ourselves up and boil some water. This is really nice. I've never really seen like a public place kind of like this. Like a U.S. Forest Service stuff. It is pretty cool. Pretty cool. Alright, so we had some dinner. And, oh, excuse me. And we're going to start a movie marathon. And then slowly drift off to sleep with the beautiful fire that we have going. So, great night. And it's going to get even better, a lot more comfortable. This was a really nice thing to have on a relatively stormy day. So that is the end of day 46. Check out some of the photos, and we'll see you tomorrow.